Hi, and so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase your FPS on the Roblox application. So all you need to do, first of all, if you don't have the Roblox application on your PC, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you're using. So just go and open your browser, type roblox.com, log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Make sure you are above 13 years old and then create your account. I advise you to verify your email, because when you do that, you will have the option of resetting your password when needed. Maybe if you forgot your password or you get hacked, and they will even give you a free item if you verified your email. So once you actually download it on your PC, just go and open it, then log in again into your account, and then you will find yourself here at this screen, which is going to be your home or your main screen. Here you may have different games than me, depending on what you played recently or what Roblox suggested to you. So let me just go into a game now to show you how to increase your FPS on Roblox. So let's just wait until this game loads correctly. So it will not need to wait a lot of time. So here we are at this game. So first of all, you will need to click at the escape button and then go to the settings option. So once you are here, you would like first of all to scroll down and go and turn on this performance set. So now if you click at escape, you will see at the top here everything that you have, so you can see if something is increasing or not. So let me just go back to our settings. Now you will need again to scroll down and make sure this full screen is off if you want to increase your FPS, or if you don't want to make it off, that will be good, just make it on. The graphics mode, make sure to have it manual, then go and make it the less as possible. Then make sure to turn off all this for options. Of course, let just this open until you finish your things, then make sure to turn it off as well. So for me, I'm just going to back to what I was, automatical and etc, and I will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.